Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaisha, and I'm about to show you how I got a 7-day wash and go with a mousse. I know you're probably thinking it's impossible. You did not do that, but I did. And I'm taking you through each day with me to show you how the style progresses throughout the week and take a wild guess who makes the product I'm about to show you. The Doux. So I'm using the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam and the Miel Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner for some moisture. Of course, I'm starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I applied my leave-in, and of course I'm making sure each section is detangled before I apply the product. And I'm just going to shingle my hair while I apply the mousse. This is my favorite method for defining my curls. I always shingle. Okay, so a few things that I need to address here. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you've probably already realized that this is the Doux Stan account. They seriously make the best products so far. Every single product I have tried from this brand has been a winner. And I'm not even just talking about being good. They're all great. And this is the third product I've tried from them. I did the Big Papa Defining Gel, amazing, the Pop Lock Gel, and now this mousse. Let me run down some of the pros. They're Black owned, their products work, they're great, they don't flake, they define my curls beautifully, they're affordable, they are accessible, you can get them in Target. I could go on, but they are not paying me to, so let's move on. Second thing, this is my first time ever using a mousse for a wash and go. I've said it many times before, I am all about gels when it comes to my wash and goes. I love the definition, the hold, and the longevity that gels provide. I normally don't use creams or foams because they tend to give a softer, frizzier, less defined look that doesn't last for me. So how do we get here, right? I watched a video from Mono's Hair, and she convinced me to try this product, which wasn't hard since I love the Doux, but she showed a method that gets the product to last for the whole week. It's called double casting, and I'm going to show you how it works in a second. And here's what we're looking like with my hair fully dried. I sat under a hooded dryer for less than an hour, which is another plus because when I use a gel, it definitely takes me over an hour for my hair to fully dry. But this product is very light, so we are saving time, which we love on wash day. Now I'm going to show you how the style held up each day throughout the week, and we'll get into the double casting method tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and here is day one. My hair has the soft, less defined look that we tend to expect from a mousse. Normally for a wash and go, this product wouldn't make it past day two, maybe day one, depending on how much frizz you can tolerate. But what I'm going to do is reapply the product to my hair. This is going to give it another layer on top of the already dried product, which is how we get the cast, the double cast. And it's literally just like a gel cast after that second application. So after sectioning my hair, I'm just reapplying the foam. I'm not shingling again. I'm just separating and smoothing product into the sections that were already formed. I'm not detangling again. I'm not wetting my hair again or moisturizing. Just setting that foam on top. And then I went back under my hooded dryer to set the product and dry my hair. This time it only took about 20 minutes. My hair wasn't fully wet, and again, the product is light, so it was quick. Coming back from under the dryer, this is where you can really see that the cast has formed. My hair looks and feels like I actually used a gel. I was so surprised at this, but really happy that I found an alternative. So here I'm just kind of breaking the cast a bit, and that's kind of it. So this is the end of day one. I was really surprised at the definition and hold that I got from this double cast, but that's what let me know that this style was actually going to last. Okay, day two. Isn't this everyone's favorite day? I don't know why, but anyways, it's looking pretty good. The cast is still going strong. The definition is still going strong. I am loving it. I'm still kind of in shock that a mousse gave me these results. Alright, so day three, I just could not be bothered to pull out my camera. Clearly, I barely even remembered what day it was. But yeah, the curls are still looking pretty good, looking a little more lived in. But honestly, I think day three might be my favorite for any style. It's just like, it hits different for me. It's just the best. I don't know about y'all. And day four, listen, it's hard to film something every day. Like, please give the video a thumbs up just for me filming this every single day. And day five is usually make it or break it. Are we still doing good? Are we gonna make it till the end of the week, or am I gonna have to put my hair in a bun? And this is a really good day five. Like, my hair looks good and still defined. Okay, girls. All right, day six, we pushing it. We pushing it a little bit. It's like, can I still rock this today, or should I not take the chance? What are we doing? The back of my hair was starting to get like a little tangled, but that's pretty normal for me. That's always the first part to get tangled. The insides are getting a little fluffy. You can kind of see the frizz starting to show. Like, would I go out with my hair like this? Yes, but if it was somewhere important, nah, I'm gonna probably wash my hair again. Okay, day seven. I don't know if I could say we made it to day seven. It was definitely wash day again. My hair needed some help. We got to get the moisture back. It was looking a little dry. The tangling started up. The frizz was there. It was definitely just, it was wash day again. So, final thoughts. This product and process really amazed me. Yes, there's the added step of going back the next day to reapply your product, but that took like 15 minutes. And the fact that I legit got the same results that I get when I use a gel literally blew me away. I am all about getting my styles to last, and this did just that. I did not think it was possible. I didn't. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this method or if you use mousse for your wash and goes. Please hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Bye.